How to withdraw cash from ADCB ATM without card. So let's get started. First of all, open any preferred web browser and in the search address bar, simply type down about the how to withdraw cash from ADCB ATM without card and scroll down. There you will get to see the official website of ADCB, and here scroll down and there you can see some options available. Now, first step is log into the ADCB mobile banking app and navigate to the transfers section. Then select the Cardless Cash Withdrawal tab and tap on the Initiate a Withdrawal. Then fill in the recipient's details and select the account for the withdrawal. Now enter the cash withdrawal amount and congratulations. Your request is now active and valid for 24 hours. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.